In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate IT Bug Intake with Asana AI Studio. We'll set up a simple automation so new bug reports are captured, organized, and assigned without any manual work. Start in your IT bug tracking project. From the left sidebar, open Projects and select the project your team already uses for bugs. This ensures the automation applies exactly where your issues are reported. If you manage multiple projects, double-check you're in the right one, and make sure you have permission to edit project settings. Next, click Customize at the top right. This is your configuration panel where fields, layouts, and automations live. We're heading to Rules, so scroll down and open the Rules area. Rules are what let Asana respond automatically when something happens, like a new task being added. Now choose Add Rule, then Create with AI Studio. This option lets you describe your workflow in plain English, and Asana will build the automation for you. You won't need to wire up triggers and actions manually. The prompt is the only thing you need to enter. In the prompt box, paste or type a clear instruction like this: Automate IT Bug Intake. When a new task is added, automatically check if the task has a title, description, priority, and affected system. If any information is missing, comment asking the reporter to complete it. Assign the task to the IT triage owner if no assignee is set. Set task priority to high or medium based on the severity field. Move the task to the New Bugs section. Keep your wording specific and make sure the field names match your project, such as priority, severity, and affected system. If your project uses different labels, update the prompt so the AI Studio connects everything correctly. When you're happy with the prompt, click Create. Asana AI Studio will translate your instructions into a working rule. You'll see a summary of the trigger and actions it built, which you can review to confirm it aligns with your process. From now on, whenever a new task lands in this project, the rule will check for required details, nudge the reporter if something's missing, assign it to your triage owner when needed, set the right priority based on severity, and place the task in the New Bugs section so it's ready for review. That's it. Your IT bug intake is now automated. All new bug reports will be organized, assigned, and ready for your team to act on. As one happy user put it, I only typed a prompt and Asana AI Studio handled all the workflow automation automatically. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.